Okay, so I found this really cool tank on Thingiverse and thought, alright, cool, I'm gonna print it out, throw a bunch of electronics into it, and make a robot. But as what usually happens is that the models don't always work out. So here are some of the problems that happen when you try that. So number one, some of the tolerances are not good. So what I found, it was really hard to put these wheels into place, and I had to print these multiple times to get them to fit. But what I found out is they are the wrong size to begin with, so I should print these out larger. Other problems that you'll find is like on the inside. I bought the motor that's supposed to drive it, and as you can see, the size is wrong, so these won't fit in here. This part needs to be larger. It could just be that, as usual, some of the 3D printers aren't perfectly set up or whatever it is. But usually I notice that every printer is a little bit different. So just because it didn't work on mine doesn't mean it won't work on yours. On the upside, in here, all of this is perfectly correct, and it does fit a little bit snug, but you can get this in there. I wouldn't say easily, because one of these things rubs against that part. Should be remodeled to avoid that. But anyway, not a biggie, because as you can see, it fits in there no problem. And once this this part is fixed and has the correct sizing and everything, it will fit in there, and hopefully the motor will be able to drive the robot. So all in all, it just needs a lot of tweaking, but yeah, it'll work eventually. Basically, I'll get it to work. Anyway, hope you guys like this video, and if you like this project, like it, and let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to know about what I'm doing.